Hey everyone, it feels like it's been forever since we did a packing video, but today we're going to be doing a packing video. So we are doing a kind of like a staycation slash house sitting for a family member for like 8 to 10 days, and we are going to be taking things that we need for that. Now the bonus for a staycation and house sitting thing is washer and dryer and other appliances that we'll be able to use, but like specifically for this video, washer and dryer. So I'm probably not actually going to pack. Normally for videos like when we do vacations, I don't like doing laundry like every single day, but for a staycation thing I don't really mind it as much, because then it means like I can put it right back in. And if we do a staycation, and so what I'm thinking of doing is just like not packing for every single day, packing like 4 outfits or maybe like 2 bottoms, and then like swapping the shirts back and forth and some pajamas and all that. So we'll kind of see what we're gonna do, but I wanted to go ahead and just say all that. And like I also wanted to share, because people watch our video and they'll be like, oh well, like you said you were cutting costs here and this and that, and now you're saying you're going on vacation. This is a staycation, and this is, we're going to house sit for somebody. And I also wanted to share it anyway, so even though we're not paying for this vacation, I wanted to share it because like it will help other people to see like how to pack for a like staycation where you're going somewhere and like staying at a house, or like when you're house sitting for somebody, how to pack and prepare for that. Also, side note, you guys, the other reason why I want to share it is, again, like people think vacations have to be that elaborate beach vacation, beachfront property, and sometimes I get caught up in that too, but it doesn't have to be. You can find little moments and celebrate those little moments, like getting to house sit for somebody in a big beautiful house and be able to staycation there and still be able to do something like bake cookies with your kids or do something like that. So this is the reason why I want to share this. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in my suitcase. 2 days and several loads of laundry later, and I finally found the one thing that I needed to finish off this packing list for this trip. So again, this trip is the first time that I am actually going on a trip and planning on. I did it for our Christmas vacation trip that I showed you guys back on like Christmas Eve and all that, but I didn't actually plan it. But this time I actually did plan to. I'm not taking clothes for every single day because I have access to a washer and dryer and have permission to use those and things. So I'm going to be doing laundry while I'm there. So that cut down on the packing a lot, because this is actually a 7 to 10 day trip, and the days are kind of still fuzzy of like specific which day we're actually starting going over there. But anyways, so you know, I wanted to pack with that in mind of I didn't have to pack for every single day. So I looked more at like more minimalist packing and stuff that I can rotate out outfits and not be wearing the same thing every single day. And I'm also going to start with like down here. So I had to move them off the bed because again, I started packing 2 days ago, and then, you know, I've lived in my house for 2 days. So first pair of shoes here underneath it's actually a pool bag, but hopefully we're going to get to do some splash stuff, so we're planning on that, and I'll show you more of the packing for that in a minute. These are my dressy sandals, and these are going to go for one nice outfit because we're hoping to do like one dinner with Matt when he comes to visit us, while he has 1 day off while we are over there, and I wanted to have something nice to wear so that we could go and have like a nice family dinner together. And then these are my Time and True pool shoes, and again, they're called pool shoes. I don't have dead set plans to go to a pool yet, but I do have set plans to like be outside and splash around with water hoses and stuff. So these are my shoes for like doing that, for splash things. And also while we're there, again, I'm labeling like packing in this whole trip as like, these are also ideas for like if you're doing like a Vrbo Airbnb cabin stay where you have access to a washer, a dryer, refrigerator, can bring your own food and all that. But another reason that we're going is we are going to help this person with watering their plants every day and taking care of their gardening areas. And they have a beautiful garden that we're going to help take care of. So I wanted to bring a pair of shoes just for gardening, so I wasn't tracking dirt through their house. Sorry, I needed the table to help me get up, and it squeaked. Of course, it didn't squeak that time to prove that it was a squeak. Alright, so let's start back here. This is the outfit that I have set aside for just doing gardening and just doing yard work. And we're probably not going to be like gardening every single day, but when we are, I wanted to have a separate outfit just for that. And these are clothes that I would wear just for gardening, so that's what that outfit is for. This is my tankini that has like the built-in pieces in it that I plan on wearing for like water activities and things and just getting wet and just having fun, you know, fun summer activities. There's my bottoms to it, and this is my cover. It's just like a light, it's just a lightweight 3/4 sleeve white shirt. This is an outfit that I'm packing because they have a fitness bike and I'm planning on using it with their permission while they're gone. I just wanted to go ahead and have an outfit set aside just for that as well. And again, since I'm doing laundry every day, it's not a big deal to, like, you know, wear a wash if need be. And then I also have, again, so let's talk about, I have pieces paired out, and sorry, my bed is not made behind me because it's been crazy. We found out 3 days ago that we were going to do this and the extent of time we're going to be gone and all that, and so now I'm just like trying to crazy pack it all in with all the normal everyday stuff for our summer semester. Like I said, I wanted pieces that were neutral that could be changed out. Like, I wanted my bottom pieces to be neutral and could change out, and then some lighter colored print shirts. So I have one pair of pants because the weather's been super weird. It's either been like chilly for summer, like I'm talking like 60s, and that's chilly for summer for us. This morning it was in the 40s. I think where we're going to be, it was like in the 50s this morning. It may have been 40s. I don't know. But it's been chilly at some points, but also it's gotten up to the upper 80s, low 90s at some points. So I'm kind of trying to pack for like that broad spectrum of, it's that weird time of year in East Tennessee where it can either be cold or it can be hot. So I wanted to plan for that. So I have one pair of like leggings. They're leggings, but they also fit like comfy pants. So I have one pair of pants. I have two pairs of the black capris. I did have gray for, let me move this for just a second. I did have gray for this skirt, but the gray ones actually wore out because I've worn them so much because I love these capri length leggings. So I'm just going to do black with them because I just am more comfortable with leggings under the knee-length skirts, so I do. And then this one is a maxi because sometimes I just love lounging in like maxi skirts and a t-shirt. So I'm going to have those two bottoms, and those two bottoms are going to rotate, and like these are going to rotate with one pink athletic style t-shirt. And then these are both from all three. Oh yeah, these are all three of the Members Mark crew neck ones. I love these. This is the one I bought for this year, this color. And then the purple and the navy blue were ones that I bought last year. The navy blue is dark, but I'm planning on wearing that one with the gray one, so it's not that big of a deal. And then also, you can see the nice outfit I've laid out. You saw this when we did our Smoky Mountain summer trip. This is what I wore to dinner, I think, when we went to Longhorn and tried the Longhorn in Sevier County, which by the way was really good, and I've got a review video on that. But this is just a cold shoulder shirt, and Matt bought me this one, so I kind of wanted something special. He also bought me this one. So we were supposed to go on a cruise in 2020, and we were going to do it to celebrate our 15th anniversary. Then everything shut down, and all that money got refocused to basically surviving 2020, 2021, in 2022. So we didn't get to go, but now I'm like, you know, I could just still repurpose this skirt. So 2 summers ago for our Smoky Mountain summer trip, I wore it to dinner, and now I'm going to save it aside for dinner with Matt. So I'm going to go ahead and pack that. Whether we get to go or not is still up in the air right now, but I wanted to have a nice outfit to have dinner with my husband on the one day that he'll get to spend with us on this vacation. And yes, the people that we're staying with is fine with him coming in and out. It's not that big of a deal. So anyway, and I don't want to get like all into all the personal about it. And no, I'm not going to do a full house tour because it's house sitting. I'm just going to do like videos of things that we did do on like a house stay video or house stay vacation, because some people like seeing like staycation ideas and things, especially with stuff being so expensive right now. Sometimes you need that stability of like, you know, things that are not super expensive to do while on vacation. So that's the other reason why I'm filming this series. Anyways, so the last thing on, no, that's the last thing on here. So is I have a pair of comfy PJ pants, and then this is like a shorter gown, but it's so super comfy. And I like the like tunic size gowns with pants for when we're traveling. I just prefer to wear pajama pants when we're traveling than just a sleep gown. So again, because it was in the 40s this morning, I decided to go ahead and lay out my hoodie. This is part of the Samantha Brown series set. This set has been discontinued. I will try to find the closest available to what this looks like on Amazon and put it in the affiliates. But this is one of the Samantha Brown packing cubes one. This is actually one of the ones that, like, it says wash me and wear me on either side. So like as you're going on your trip, if you don't have laundry, you put the wear me on one side, and then as you dirty it, the wash me goes on the other. But I just usually use it for my undergarments, because I can put specific ones on one side and then flip it over and put the other specific ones on the other side. It has a handle and fits nicely into the Samantha Brown luggage that we still have from our Disney cruise. And then I'll go ahead and show you this last but not least. This is not fully packed because I don't fully pack all of my toiletries until the day of. Go ahead and talk about that really quick because this is stuff that's going in my suitcase, and then I'll do another video of other things that we're packing for this trip. So I always bring the shout wipes and put them in the toiletries bag, and I keep these on me. You saw that I packed 2 maxi skirts, so I also packed some Downy wrinkle release. This works really well. Hang it up wherever you're going to be staying, and then, you know, smooth it out. And like I said, it works really well for, like, if you don't want to iron or have plans to iron and something got a little more wrinkle than you wanted. I do bring Q-tips just because, so we do have like a pack of Q-tips in here, and then I also have body powder, 1 razor, a pair of fingernail clippers, and a pair of tweezers. And then this bag has the toothpaste, and I have an unopened toothpaste. I'm going to put an unopened toothbrush in here, I think. Yeah, I actually could go ahead and do that, but go ahead and put an unopened toothbrush. So the funny thing is like this actually falls on our schedule of, like, we replace our toothbrushes like every 2 months, and so I can go ahead and put an unopened one in here that's already still in the packaging, because I actually had bought ahead for vacation. That's a whole nother video you've already seen. I went ahead and bought ahead for vacation, so I had an individually packed one for myself and one for Matt that was on here, so I'm going to do that. I love the whitening toothpaste, especially for travel, because I drink more coffee when I'm traveling. I had 3 cups of coffee today, if you can't tell. The CeraVe, I think on the ads I've seen them pronounce it CeraVe. What I love about these is that I actually keep these on my counter, but like it has the twist lid, so if you want to travel with it, you can just twist it, lock and go, and it's exactly 3 ounces. Well, it has less than that because I've been using it. The night one is really, really nice because it's ultra light. Does really well for the nighttime. And then the daytime one has sunscreen in it. This is a thing of the H2O body lotion still left over from our cruise. I only use them when traveling just because it's like a special thing to me and it's not something I can easily replace. I also have 1 pack of these plackers. I'm planning on buying more of these individually for my kids when they go to camp, but for this time I think we're just going to take a bag of plackers with us. And also, this is not Hawaii approved, but for East Tennessee, it's called Hawaiian Tropic Lip Balm. It has SPF 45. So I like in the summer switching to a lip balm that has SPF in it. So that is it, you guys. Yeah, I'll zip that up more later, but that is it, guys, for the clothes that I'm packing and shoes that I am packing for this trip. A little more minimalistic. And yeah, so the next video you're going to see, I'll show more of like the, sorry, I touched my Zoom thing. The next video you'll see, I'm going to do more of like showing the extra things that we're packing for a staycation homestay, such as like, I have a video coming up of the 2023 travel schooling bag that we're taking since it's still our summer vacation or summer semester. But I'll show some other things as well. So don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can get notified when the next packing video goes up and when the actual travel videos go up. Thank you again to all of our members for supporting our content continually and helping us continue making content. Thank you to all of you for watching, liking, and subscribing, and we will see you next time.